Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to push your nose ring back in. Firstly, use pliers or your hands for thinner rings to gently pull the ring open. For thicker rings like 14 gauge, use captive ring pliers to avoid bending the ring too much. The bead is held in place by pressure. Just hold the ring on either side of the bead and carefully pull the sides apart to release it. Be cautious not to overstretch the ring as it can make reassembly harder. Twist the ring ends in opposite directions, then keep the twist minimal to avoid difficulty when reshaping the ring later. Now position the end of the ring into your piercing and gently guide the ring through until the center rests comfortably inside the piercing. Finally, align one end of the ring to the dimple of the bead, twist the ring ends back toward each other until they line up, and press the other end to the ring into the second dimple on the bead. Make sure the bead is secure before considering the process as complete. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.